a disaster last night, we checked into a different hotel this morning in Hanoi, called Dragon Pearl Hotel, and this is our room. And here at the entrance, we have the wardrobe. It's like if you want to hang your clothes, have extra pillows, and there is a makeup mirror. We have a small fridge. No? What's that? And here is the bed. There we have a television, and also we have tea and coffee provided for us. It's green tea and coffee with sugar. I think they give 2 bottles of water as well. We have the kettle, most important of all. And the bathroom is spacious here, as you can see. But this room has no windows, and it doesn't look the best, but it's really good price for this service here, because yesterday night we paid $15 US, and we got a really tiny hall, a dirty tiny hall. And this one is $22, including buffet breakfast, which we will have tomorrow. So we came to this place in Hanoi, right almost across our street. It's called Banh Ngoc Son, and we are trying a Banh Cuon. Banh Cuon is, as far as we understand, is a rice flour pancake, and inside they put some stuff. This is the end result, and people are eating it by putting it in the soup, and there's a coriander, and this is my portion. So I'm gonna just show you. So, side here, and inside the rice flour pancake, she puts this one or this one. And these are the prices, around 35,000 per portion. And this is where we are eating it, on the French street Phan Dinh Phung. To Hanoi last night, and we were devastated by the hotel room we found, and then we changed our hotel to another one, and we are now in the French luxury road Phan Dinh Phung. So, and it's a wide avenue, and there's a lot of traffic noise. Sorry for the noise, but before our friend arrives from Turkey, because she's joining us, we're just walking around. We had a fabulous breakfast in a local joint, and now we are walking to the West Lake just to see around and have a coffee, but we bought a coconut, of course, and we are drinking it, and now we will have it cut, and then we will continue our journey. Let me show you around the avenue first. To the edge of the West Lake, to Tai Ho Lake, and you can see behind us is a beautiful lake, and these small islands are actually swimming, drifting away. And we are walking to a cafe now, although there are many cafes on the other side of the road. We will try to find the Highlands Coffee just on the lake with a platform. So we're gonna have a coffee now, and I think
Highlands Cafe is a local chain here in Vietnam.
They are huge, I think. Oh.
We are now in the Nescafe. We ordered the Americano and we are sharing it because we already have a, nice and cold coconut just 10 minutes ago. And now she's planning our next steps of our travel.
And also making an Instagram post here.
Yeah. And this is the part of the lake. And you can't see from the video. The other part of the lake has, high-rise buildings, and I think the expat community are living there.
There are a lot of condos.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry for the traffic noise again, but we are passing by Quay Hoan Kim Temple, and the entrance is 10,000 dongs, but I think we're gonna come here later, so I'm just filming it from outside. And it looks like a beautiful and peaceful place, but the amazing thing about it is the door. The entrance is really majestic. Now I will film it for you. Ta-da! This is the Northern Gate Relic. It's just across our hotel on the French luxury road, and people are here with their traditional aodais to have taken pictures, and they are holding a bouquet of flowers, and they really seem nice. I admit I'm a little bit jealous. And this is the gate is from, I think, the beginning of the 19th century. And you have to buy a ticket to enter. It's 30,000 dongs, almost $1. Okay, we started touring around our hotel, and we saw this many flower shops, flower stalls everywhere in the city, and they are selling these colorful bouquets, which are really, really charming and intriguing. I think I want one, Gökay. We came to our hotel room with no windows to meet our friend from Turkey, and also to have a pit stop with tea. As Turkish people, we always drink tea every time during the day. And I have my hair done, and as soon as our friend is ready, we're gonna go to the Old Quarter, and we will find something to eat because she's starving. And the weather is a bit chilly, so I wore this beautiful kimono that was bought for me on my birthday like 10 years ago, maybe. 5 years ago. And we quite settled into our room, but we are only staying for 2 nights, which is sad because I hate packing. And then we're gonna head out to see the Old Quarter at night. dinner we're having. We now, I think this is the first time we're sitting on low seats on a pavement, and I will show you our food now. Sorry about the noise. This is a beef salad. I think they have soy underneath and peanuts on top. This is spring roll with pork and papaya. And here is shrimp dumplings with fresh rice paper, I think. They brought us this sauce to dip in the spring rolls. And here we go.